Hello, WordPress users. Do you want to auto-create coupon for customer based on certain criteria? Amelia can auto-create coupons that will be sent out to a customer after a certain number of bookings. So, go to Finance sub-menu under Amelia. Here you will find Coupons tab in this page. It allows you to create promotions to offer customers discounted prices for their appointment by a percentage or cash discount. You can use filters to display specific records for a coupon code and the services or events for which customers can apply coupons. You can use filters to display specific records for a coupon code and the services or events for which customers can apply coupons. To create a new coupon, simply click on the New Coupon button located at the top of the page. Here, you need to define a coupon code which customers will enter in their booking, so they can get a discount. Here, you need to define the number of coupons for use. After the limit is reached, your coupon will become unavailable. Here, you can define the maximum number of coupons for use for single customer. After the limit is reached for single customer, your coupon will become unavailable for that customer. Select the services for which the coupon can be used. Select the events for which the coupon can be used. There are several options for automatic sending of coupons, so you will also see the option to set maximum usage per customer, and the whole new tab called Notifications. In the Notifications tab, you can now set notification interval and define after what number of scheduled appointments or events the customer will receive the coupon code in the notification automatically. Here, you can set the number of approved bookings after which the customer will automatically receive the coupon in notification. Please note that the coupon placeholder needs to be set in the notification template in order for this to work. Also, you can enable the option Recurring Notification if you want to send this code again in case the customer didn't use the code for a discount. Once you are done entering the coupon information, simply click on the Save button and the newly created coupon will appear together with other coupons in the list. Once you create a coupon, customers can enter the coupon code on the Confirm Booking modal to reduce the price of their appointment. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get the Amelia Booking plugin, please check the video description.